6.2 Technical Model by Finlay Deedman. A technical model is a commonly used method to present and assess sporting performance, typically certain skills or techniques. Explaining the given technique using words, usually in a partnership with images rather than raw data, such as numbers, to more clearly explain a sporting technique. In most examples, a technical model is presented in three distinctive stages: preparation phase, prior to the action; execution, during the action; and recovery, after the action. An example of this would be in the tennis image presented on the slide above. As we can clearly see all the stages of the tennis serve broken down to show all the factors of the technique to aid comprehension. Within stages 1 to 3, we can see the preparation stage as the subject sets himself up for the serve, followed by stages 4 to 6, where the subject completes the action hitting the ball. Finally followed by the recovery stages, as the subject returns himself back to their original position to ready and restabilize themselves for the next manoeuvre. Furthermore, when practicing the technique, digital software such as Dartfish and CoachEye can be used to replay and analyze the subject's technique in depth through recordings of the software. These softwares allow coaches to use slow motion and overlay comparisons with elite level athletes to highlight errors in the subject's technique, enabling these mistakes to be picked up quicker and therefore corrected sooner, as players can clearly see their own technical errors opposed to how they may feel they look in their head. However, a negative in response to these digital software is that they are extremely expensive, making them very inaccessible for most users, except for elite teams who can afford them. Furthermore, another possible downside of digital software occur in response to catching live footage of the athletes performing. Filming this footage can be particularly difficult, especially during live matches, where lots is occurring all at once, which can lead to poor quality footage and angles for digital analysts. Positives of the technical model occur due to the breaking down of the technique into small worded segments, creating a qualitative model, meaning the data is presented in a worded format. A qualitative format is preferable over a quantitative data, as quantitative data relies purely upon raw data, which is a difficult format to explain a sporting technique clearly and concisely. Therefore, the use of words within qualitative data enables the subject to clearly and easily explain as well as showing the technique to eliminate confusion and possible misunderstandings. However, negatives can arise within the technical model. The primary downfall of the technical model is that inexperienced performers may get confused on what to concentrate when they are watching live footage of players, especially within live games, as lots goes on all at once, so they may not know what to focus on.